Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Buick Regal Premium Group, stock number Z9641XX. Only 48,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Summit White in color. The Regal is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear parking sensors for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Harman Kardon sound system, power seats with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 48,000 miles. With driver information system, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. Hard keys below for radio and CD player controls. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's buttons. Overhead auto dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Regal has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 220 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Regal, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.